And we are back with another Undertale video. Undertale part 5. So I just progressed a little. I did beat that thing, the puzzle. And we are now back here in this spooky place. I don't know what this place is, but we just maybe get started then, alright? Let's head down here. What? Oh, what the fudge? Oh, it's undone. Oh no, run. Run, 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 run. Run, my friends. Run. Run like the wind! Oh no! Oh no! Loch Ness monster! Run! 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 Oh, oh no! Uh, 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 Thanks, kid. Oh, wow. Yo, did you see that? Undyne just touched me. I'm never washing my face ever again. Man, and you unlucky. And you were just staying a little bit to the left. Yo, don't worry. I'm sure we'll see her again. Oh, come on, don't keep falling down, kid. I'm sure you'll. Okay, kid? Alright, I hope you're good, kid. Knowing the mouse might one day extract the cheese from the mystical crystal, it fills you with determination. That's nice. Oh, hey, look, it's Sans. I'm thinking about getting into the chocolate scholars. Normally it's 50,000 games to use this premium telescope, but since I know you, you can use it for free. How's about it? Sure. Huh? Huh? Am I satisfied? Don't worry. I'll just give you a full refund. Sans. Come on, Sans. Ellie. Oh, look at this place. This place looks nice. Ducky! Oh, Ducky, I want to see Ducky. Ducky Ducky. What happens if we go over here? Ooh. This is like really cool. Ring. Hello, this is Papyrus. Remember when I asked you about clothes? Well, the friend wants to know, my opinion of you is very murdery, but I bet you knew that already because you knew that I told her what you were, you told me you were wearing a bandana because I knew, of course, after such sister, you would obviously change your clothes. You're such a smart cookie. Aw, that's cute. He's, ooh, what's happening? Ooh, they just allow me to spare them and get cool. The music, the soundtracks. They make such ridiculously good music for Undertale. Oh, hello. Uh, oh, hi. Hey, I hear. I hear. You're visiting Waterfall, huh? It's great here, huh? You love it, huh? Yeah, me too. It's my big favorite. You know, I'll talk to you. Well, I guess I just have to keep walking. Even though the water's getting so shallow here, I have to sit down all the time, but hey, that's okay. It beats moving to the city and living in a crowded aquarium like all my friends did. And the aquarium's full. Anyway, so even if I wanted to, that's okay now. Here, Undyne's gonna fix everything. Here, I'm gonna get out of here and I'm gonna live in the ocean here. I hear what? I hear. Hey, there. That's the end of this room. I'll see you around. Have a good time. And waterfall. Have a good time too, buddy. You seem nice. Alright. Oh. Run! Oh, I don't get it out. Okay. Wait, does that mean... Yes! 30 gold. Okay, thanks. I appreciate it. I cannot... Aw, that's cool. I actually like that a lot. That's really cool. Oh, hello. Aw. Umbrella. Aw. Can I take another umbrella? Yeah, I'll take another one. Yo, you got an umbrella? Awesome. Let's go. No problem, man. I got an umbrella for both of us. Okay. Don't follow me. Oh, let's go, bro. Man, I know he's so cool. She was a bad guy who never leaves. If I was human, I would be the, I would be wet in bed every night, knowing she was gonna beat me up. So one time we had a school project where we had to take care of a flower. The king, we all had to call him Mr. Dreamer, volunteered to donate his own flowers. We ended up coming to the school and teaching the class about responsibility and stuff. That got me thinking, yo, how could it be if Undyne came to school? You beat up all the teachers. That's not a good mindset to think. I wish you wouldn't beat up the teachers. Teacher could never hurt any innocent person. Oh wow, that's cool. Looks like a cool castle. Yo, this ledge is way too steep. Hmm, hmm. Yo, you want to see Undyne, right? Put up your umbrella and climb on my shoulders. Okay, if you say so. Thanks, little dude. Yo, you're going ahead. Don't worry about me. I'll always find a way to get through. Oh, be safe, kids. Alright, looks like we're allowed to save here. The scene around the Disney music box, it fills you with determination. Waterfall Bridge. Okay, so let's continue heading over. Oh no, it's shaded like Undine again. I guessed it. Oh, I guessed it. Oh my god, I guessed it. Oh my god, I guessed it. Oh, yep, that's what I guessed. Okay. Oh, what? Oh, but. What? What? Uh, 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 uh. They actually died? You cannot give up just yet. Chara, stay determined. Huh. You can actually die in this. Didn't know that. Huh. Okay, well, let's give it one more attempt, alright, guys? Oh, 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 no! Hello, 1-9. Oh no, I got hit. No, no, no. Oh no. Mm. Mm. What's happening? Why can't I go more? And why is she stopped? Um, what's happening? I don't. Oh, uh, oh. Wait, what? No, no! I think that's where we're gonna end it today. I think we'll see you guys later. Bye bye, guys.